dryers.
Okay, I'm gonna
Oh, okay, they're leaving now.
It's in the same
Okay, just do it.
gateway there. 3, 5, 0, 3, 6.
Oh, yeah, I don't think it should. Oh, is that door gonna go down? I don't care if it doesn't.
Yeah, it does have the rectangle. Hey, it has the same like thing as the one.
It's like this door might be staying up.
Yeah.
Unbuckle. Hopefully it doesn't. There it goes. How are we gonna start with Snouts. Hey, there's a key in there, just like on Archibald. LaserWash Touch 3K5. It's kind of rubbed off though. That's really loud. Oh, sorry. Loud.
It's loud at the back. Yep, you got your rotating nozzles.
See, it has the rectangle blow dryer. So I thought this one would have the rectangle blow dryers. Look at that, in case of power failure, turn the knob to open door. It's hot in here, I'm gonna turn this off. Okay. Especially for when the dryer turns on, we're probably gonna have air coming in then. Right, so then it would be nice to have the heat on. But these rectangle dryers always seem to do a really good job drying. Oh, wiper. The wipers, there we go. Gosh, yeah, it won't do anything. There's a security camera right there. And it's like, and now it's gonna soak it.
Stop is yellow.
Yeah, what the? Look at the soaking light.
Oh.
Oh, we already have orange. Wow. Now here's our empty path. Just kidding.
At least it's not high pitch. Sounded like rain. Sounded like
Yeah.
rain.
Here comes on our color polish. Pretty nice. Dark.
Getting dark now. Or let's see. It's gonna do the same.
It smells nice. It smells really nice. I'm gonna watch. Let's see if it looks cool like the one on Gateway. Yes. Oh, it really smells nice. LaserWash Touch 3K5. Clear cut. I think it's gonna come out of that.
Oh, I saw the sprayer
I saw them again move.
Now the sprayer's been moved.
Here it comes, our spot-free rinse. No more spots on our car. And a laser dry. Clear coat protector. No sprayer. And now the whole thing is white. Look at that, the pipe is broken and you can see. Yeah, there's air coming in, I think. Yeah, there's just look at the laser dry. I know. And the clear Wait, see if we can see it fold in. I don't know if this one was working and it came. I don't think it even worked. No, that one didn't work. There it goes. These doors are always great. They're slow and they always take forever to go up. And look at the track, it's all rusted. And that's hanging down right there. And there. Touchless control.